few weeks left until the start of school. For many kids, that'll be back to playing competitive sports. Some of them require students to wear mouth guards, and others probably a good idea anyway. Dr. Donald Gundlach is here. He's a dental director at Dental Associates, and here to talk to us about protecting our mouths. Doc, good to see you.
Good. Thanks for having me.
Let's just talk about the different kinds of injuries that mouth guards can protect. I think as parents and even as athletes, we know, if you're talking about getting your teeth kicked in, that's one thing, but there are other things that the mouth guard can protect.
Right. The most common thing is, like you said, is protect the teeth from being knocked out. Also soft tissue, cutting your gums, your lips, and actually jaw fractures are not unusual either. Yes.
And generally speaking, how do mouth guards do at that?
At protecting the teeth and the jaws, they work pretty well depending on what type of mouth guard you have. There's a very different types. There's three basic types. There's a stock mouth guard, which is basically just a piece of plastic that you wear. It doesn't fit all that well. And then you have one where you can actually place it in warm water and kind of mold it to your teeth. And then you have probably the best protection is one that's custom fitted to your tooth. There's some advantages and disadvantages to that, but the idea is to spread the force out and cushion the blow as well.
Let me talk about that middle mouth guard, because I think that one's really popular. I remember when I played football, that was the one. You just go to the sporting goods store, you get that, you put it in the boiling water, right, and it molds around your mouth. So that's what, is that good, better, best? Or?
It's probably the better. It will stay in. You want a mouth guard that's going to stay in your teeth passively. If it's falling out, it's probably not going to be in a good location if you do get hit. So you want to have something that's in there. The problem with that is it is kind of hard. And it will rub against your lips, so the kids will probably play with it and chew on it because it's not very comfortable. Yes.
Well, that leads us perfectly into how to care for these mouth guards, and probably no one is doing the things that you're about to tell us that they should be doing.
Correct. You got to realize your mouth, everyone's mouth is full of bacteria. Right. And when you're out there and you're dehydrated, the bacteria actually multiply. So, a good thing to do is there's a lot of water bottles out there. Rinse the mouth guard out with water when you're done. Rinse it out. Every night you probably want to take a little bit of toothpaste and a toothbrush, scrub it on the inside, outside, and then you want to hold it in a case that actually has some perforations in it as well, so that you can get air in there and let it dry.
Well, sometimes it just takes like you're putting this in your mouth, remember, right?
Right. Exactly right. Yeah.
They're dirty, and
you don't want to pick it off the ground. You know, after somebody stepped on it and put it back in. Yes.
All right, great. Okay. Great advice, Doctor. Thanks so much for reminding us of these things, and you can find more information on mouth guards up on our website. We put a link there for you at tmj4.com.